my channel. Today is going to be another Zara haul. I have picked up very affordable pieces from Zara this round and also some shoes. If you have yet to check out my first Zara haul, I put the link up above to check it out. And if you have yet to subscribe, don't forget to just click the subscribe button down below. And for everyone else, let us just get started. This is the first piece that I picked up from Zara this round. It is a crop top, a knit crop top. As you guys know, I'm definitely a fan of crop top. I really love this piece so much, guys. It is so versatile. As you can see, I'm showing you guys different ways on how to style this basic piece. Black in color, it won't be sheer, it's a safe color. And I'm sure you guys also noticed that lately this is a trend. A lot of tops are having two very long strings for us to tie, and also bear in mind that it is quite tight fitting, so if you are more busty, you probably have to size up. So I went for size S. It fits me so well, size S, so I love it because it can cover everything perfectly and I do not need to even wear a tube inside. I know myself that I will only wear this out if I don't have to wear a tube. If I have to wear a tube inside, then only wear this crop top, this cardigan style of crop top. I'm very sure that I will not be wearing this very often, but because I could cover everything perfectly with this size, so this piece is definitely not a piece that I'm going to return. Really love this piece. I think it also comes in another two colors, perhaps white and also light pink if I'm not mistaken. So I chose black, safe color. I was styling this with a black long maxi skirt just now, and also off-white high-waisted culotte jeans, which I also shared with you guys in my last haul. Really love that pair of jeans. And also, if you like to pair it with a denim color, you could also pair it with a high-waisted denim jeans. I also tried that, love both styles. And finally, I also pair it with a leather skirt, leather skirt which I picked up also the last round. I shared with you guys as well in my last video or last haul. So you can see this piece alone, you can make it very formal for dinner, a little bit casual for brunch or shopping, and you could also pair this with leather pants or leather skirt. It's so versatile. You could transform this to a formal look, to a casual look, to a cool look. So really love this piece, so versatile, guys. I really love this. Not going to return. It's going to be one of my favorite pieces. Love it. This is another top that I picked up from Zara this round. First thing, when I look at this top, I love the color, the light pastel green color. Love this color, and also the ruffles over here. I really love this detailing at both ends. It creates the illusion that I have slimmer arm. Really love it. Love this basic piece again, versatile piece. Plus the detailing at both ends, really love it. And bodysuit now, it is the trend. So attracted me the most is the color and these ruffles at both ends. So you guys can see that I was also having fun styling this piece. You could wear this with high-waisted pants, white in color, make it like a workwear. You could also wear this with white color culotte jeans. I pair it with the same off-white color culotte jeans again. Love that pair of jeans. Having fun styling this piece with that jeans as well. And this color, this apple green color, it also blends so well with blue denim color. I did that as well. Love that combination. It blends so well. And also finally, I also pair it with shorts, white color shorts, just to make it a little bit more comfortable, more casual. And I believe you guys can also see that this piece is definitely not loose fitting. It's light color, not loose fitting, and if you guys are going for heavy meal, I wouldn't recommend wearing this piece. Same goes to me. If I'm going for heavy meal, I will also not be wearing this piece, and that's the reason also why I'm thinking if I should keep this piece or should I return this piece, because I really love this color, this detailing at both ends. love because I don't have this color in my collection yet. But I'm also asking myself if I will be repeating this very often, because heavy meal definitely not going for this piece. So will I be wearing this very often then? So I'm not sure. So please help me to decide, guys. Should I be keeping this or should I return this? But really love the ruffles and also the apple green color. Is it apple green? Help me to decide, guys. Another basic top that I got from Zara this round, this basic crop top again. Love this V crop top. You could wear this as a normal V-neck crop top. I'm showing you guys different options how you could wear this piece, this basic piece. You could wear this as a V-neck option, or you could also pull one sleeve down to make it a little bit more trendy, or you could also wear it as an off-shoulder piece. Another very neutral, versatile piece, and I love this color as well. And I was also pairing this piece with the same Zara high-waisted culotte jeans again. Love that pair of jeans. And I was also styling this outfit with the same color of heels. Shortly I'm going to share with you guys the heels as well. So love that monochrome outfit, very clean look, neutral look. Really love this piece. It is so me, this piece, so versatile, so comfortable. And I could also pair this with a leather mini skirt, black in color. Love that very simple look, very comfortable. And I was also wearing that with black heels, which I will also share with you guys shortly. If I want to make it a little bit more feminine or more formal, I could also wear this with a long midi skirt. Really love this very simple, casual look and very comfortable and still looking very trendy. This piece is a piece that I don't have to consider. I will not be returning this piece for sure. The quality is also of very good quality, not sheer at all. I'm keeping this piece for sure. Love the detailing at the bottom as well. You could see that it is shorter in front. Not sure if you guys can see, it is shorter in front and it is longer at the back. At the back is longer and is shorter in front, and there's no line here on the shoulder. No line here on the shoulder. That's why it makes it very versatile. We could pull this down. We could make it off shoulder as well. So it's basic but a lot of detailing. And this also creates the illusion that we are actually slimmer because it's loose fitting, it's crop top, longer legs and V-neck, looks slimmer and it's so comfortable. Neutral piece, basic piece. Love this piece. The last top that I got from Zara this round is this cardigan, this floral yellow color cardigan. I don't have this type of cardigan in my collections. I definitely have a lot of cardigans, but I don't have a floral type of cardigan. Love this color and very small flowers all over the cardigans in yellow color, and attracted to the color definitely, and it's also very soft. I love to touch the material. It's very good quality, and it's best to pair this with white color pants, white color shorts, white color dress as well. So I was having fun again pairing this with long maxi dress, white in color, looking very feminine. And also I was also pairing this with again the white culottes of white jeans from Zara. It matches so well, and I could also wear this with a white shorts, white tailored shorts to make it a little bit more casual. So love this overall look, very comfy, very comfortable, and when you wear this piece, you feel like you are so happy, you are in a very happy and good mood, very bright color, very happy color. But I am still thinking if I should keep this piece or return this piece, guys, because although I love this color a lot, love the florals, love the happy color, but I do not know how often will I repeat this piece, because I normally go for neutral colors, because neutral colors I could always repeat, I could style it easily and could pair it with any shorts, top, bottom easily. But this piece is floral cardigan, is not really a basic piece, I would say. It definitely cannot go with any outfit that we have in our wardrobe. So this definitely can only go with probably blue, white. We have to be careful on how we pair this piece. So that's why I'm thinking if I will repeat this cardigan very often. I am undecided again, guys, for this piece. Please help me if I should keep this piece or return this piece, because I do not know if I will be able to find a similar piece again in future if I were to return this piece. It's such a happy color, floral, bright, love it. But guys, next I'm going to show you guys two of my favorite shoes that I pick up, or heels that I pick up this round from Zara. Love these two pairs of heels, and again it's going to be basic pieces. This is the first pair. Love this color. It's not easy to get this color of heels. Normally we can get white color of heels or darker beige color. This is of a lighter beige color, very versatile. Again, you could see that I was pairing this piece with all the tops that I just shared with you guys just now. It's so versatile. The height is perfect for whole day walking, but whether it is comfortable, I cannot comment yet because I have yet to wear this pair out, but I really like the color. And again, it's white color. It will elongate our leg, make us look like taller. Basic piece. So ladies, it's okay if you don't have red shoes, purple shoes, green shoes, yellow shoes, blue shoes, but we must have these basic heels in our collection. It's so versatile, we don't have to think. It can go with any outfit in your wardrobe. Love this multi-strap design, but of course this is not a slip-on heels. A little bit of effort is required to wear these shoes, but really like this design. This multi-strap design, very versatile piece. Definitely not going to return. Love this neutral piece, guys. Another pair of basic piece. This is slip-on, very comfortable. I have worn this out before and it is very comfortable. Love this front design. It is squarish in front, so love this detailing as well. Very simple piece again. I would say it is not really super high. It is just a normal height, not too high and not too low. And these two pairs are actually very affordable. If you look at Zara shoes in terms of their price tag, these two pieces are of affordable range. It is not very pricey. That's why I chose these two pairs. Very basic, very versatile, and again I could actually pair this with all the tops that I just shared with you guys just now. In fact, with any outfit in your wardrobe. And this pair, very comfortable. You will not get blister, nothing at all. Not going to return for sure this piece. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have finally shared everything that I purchased from Zara this round. Do share with me which is of your favorite piece. Comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also help me to decide if I should return some of those pieces. Comment down below, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next one.